Okay, we're starting our hike with this view. Look at that. So stunning. Look at that. Yep, we're going up.
It's not bad. I mean, I'm fine.
Yet.
Yet.
It's not even 1/4. Whew.
What? 300 meters only. I'm very tired. Not tired.
Can I just run in the flat road?
You want your 12 miles run?
Like up like this.
Okay. The half marathon is worse than this.
This is so different from running. Look at that, you can still see the lake. Sorry. Whoa.
There's more.
Hold on. Let me just. Look at that.
Yeah.
Our way to the tea house. Let me just. Stunning.
Yep, we're heading close to the beehive. Oh yeah. Let's go. Oh. Oh boy. Banana bread.
Banana break. We now did 1.40 miles for 45 minutes. There you go. It's all up here right now.
No,
Yeah,
I don't know.
it's the bear's
I know, man.
footprint. I don't know. Somebody. Finish that. Let's go.
Shoes ata.
Okay, more uphill. We got those tall trees. Okay, here's another lake. Yay! Let's see. Let's see what. Oh, this is the mirror lake. The mirror lake.
Now can we play Twister Train?
Yes,
I should do how
This is where we're going. Okay, let's go. I'm Mirror Lake. We're heading to the tea house.
Hey, go see.
At that view. Oh my god. Look at the mountains. So stunning up here. Oh look, honey, look. Look on your back. Whoa. Oh. What? Can you see the ice going over there? So amazing.
Yes, he did. He said that we were going on the bottom of the sea because it's so busy.
Okay, going up. Oh, breakfast. You don't have breakfast yet.
Oh, look at that waterfall here. It's so big. It's beautiful.
Tea house number 1. Let's go. We got 5 more miles to go. No, 6. Go, go. Oh, here it is. Here's the camera, huh?
Look at that.
And Lake Agnes.
We're here at Lake Agnes. Whoa. Finally. Look at that falls over there. Oh my god. This is so,
Pila na.
Amazing. And look at this. Look at this. Another lake.
I'm gonna line up, okay?
There's a line? Okay, hold on. Okay.
Salsa and the cheese sandwich.
Thank
No
you.
worries, thank you.
So we have the peach lemonade, the cheese and cucumber with the salsa and chips, and Marvin got the tuna sandwich. There you go. Let's try.
That's going to the Beehive on Lake Louise.
Look at that. The color of the water here in Lake Agnes on the way to our Beehive hike. Oh my god. This is so nice. And we're going there on top of that Beehive. We're gonna hike. Let's see. Good luck to us. Alright.
Oh, we'll see. Where are we going?
There. Out there. The Beehive.
Let's go.
Good luck. Good luck. Of course, picture first.
So much flies. You see the flies? Ew. Wow. this place, man. Look. Ah.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Oh yes, afternoon. Noontime.
Whoa. Ang nice din dito.
Hello again.
Hello.
What's here? What's here?
Right?
Ay mo suotin itong necklace?
Where? Look at those.
Careful.
Buti hindi umulan.
Oh, that's not good. I feel it right now. I can hear about that. I feel like oh yeah. Enjoy.
Careful.
So like what? 6 miles in. We decided to do this beehive, and I didn't expect to see like I'm almost gonna give up. But I think we're almost there. So we'll see. Right now, this is our view. So taking a bit of a rest. Yeah. It should be worth it, right? Oh my god, my legs are shaking. And my heart is like pounding.
Let's push.
Okay.
We're going to dig it. Oh shit. That's a long way down. Oh, flat. I made it. Kinda made it. Straight down. Reveal spot.
So we're already on top of this beehive. I'm going to show you the picture on the video. And this is not in our itinerary today. We just decided to do this. Oh my god. Look at this. We're almost there. Let's see.
Oh, there's more there.
Wow.
Oops. Going down is supposed to be easier, right? Oh my god. Look at the hike back. Tingnan natin ano yung is everybody gone? Ay,
Ako nag-hike pa sila sa glacier.
ano yun?
Saan ang daan ng glacier?
Wait, let's see. Ngayon, pagbaba sa Beehive, diba yung bridge? Tatawag tayo sa bridge. Ay, baka.
Ano yung view ng isa pang Hive?
Yung glacier mismo.
No, mas lampas pa yung doon. Dulo yung glacier, tapos maglalakad ka na dyan sa
Ulit.
baba ng Lake Louise.
Ito na pala yung glacier, so pag ano. Yeah, cause, yeah.
Come on, it's 5.2 kilometers.
Yeah, not bad. Not too far.
Ah.
Same distance pabalik.
So, baka mas mahirap dito pababa.
Tingnan ko makita. Hindi. Mas gradual na dito.
Why? Hindi mo alam.
Ah, ayun. Tama.
Parang nga nang ganun yun.
Alin?
Tungkod.
Kunin mo sa gilid.
Na ano talaga ako pababa.
Tanongin natin ito. Nagpapalipad ng drone.
Oo.
Ano? Is the incline okay?
Yeah. So it's like 200 meters of difference
Uh-huh.
of elevation, but it's okay.
But you haven't been on that side, right? No?
No,
Oh, okay. I'm trying to compare. Maybe it's easier going down.
This is like,
pretty much the same.
Pretty much the same. Ah, okay.
I think it's pretty much.
But drier. But
Yeah.
drier. Okay. Ayan. Tatlong paa yan, pantukod mo.
namin wag nga ako madakot.
Hawakan kita. Maganda.
Parang lola eh. May tungkod na may hawak pa. Let's go slow, honey.
Apa. Okay, we're on our way down.
We're going on the other side
Yes. Sabi ng lola.
of the lake. Sa the ground.
Han. Okay. At least hindi cliff.
Di ka sure.
Come on, positive, positive. Mauna ako, gusto mo?
Okay.
Mauna ako. Okay.
Huwag mo na akong halakan.
Baka mo jacket ko kung kailangan.
Tutulak na lang kita kasi. Oh my goodness.
You can do it.
I'm always so scared of going down. Oh my God.
You made it up. You can go down.
No, going down is harder for me. Nandito sa kanina, diba?
Yeah.
Good decision. Para
Yes.
makita natin yung kabilang side.
Yes. Falls. You got it. It's not too far. It's worth it though. Si ate gandang-ganda pero
Pulang-pula na siya.
wala na.
Ayun, kasi di pag doon na rin diretso mo pa ako.
Kaya,
Alas talagang hiker. At yun kaya yung gamit niya.
so hindi tayo bumili ng tripod.
Walang pambili ng
Dito ka magstay. Meron. Sinuli lang namin.
wala kami pambili sinuli natin.
Okay. Whoa. Oh. Oh. We got that on camera.
Wow.
Kabayo na naman.
Wow.
Oh, so that's the Lake Louise water. Oh. Yeah. Aray po. Ano yun? May naipit ako.
Dito. Okay siya.
Wow!
Wow.
Wow! Ah, ganun din. Yeah. Pwede rin. Yeah, same thing. Yeah.
Sorry, ha?
No, tama to. Tama to. Bababa. Nainis ko hindi tayo dadaan sa tubig na gilid eh. Oh wow. Mamaya na. Why? Like that. Yogi be.
Alam kaya nila bear tayo.
Hindi siguro. Ay nako. Hop, dahan.
How was it?
Let's go.
Oh my god. It's so cold. Got that. Look at this.
From bubble tea to mint flavor bubble tea.
So that's the water.
Yeah.
That's a color and
That's boba. Over there's mint flavor.
then it becomes from that color to that color in Lake Louise. How did that happen? Tell me now.
Where did I go?
This color to that color. Look at this. Look at
Thousands,
these
millions
stones.
of years
Oh my goodness.
of erosion. So millions of years ago.
And
Ice
this-
age, so this was all under ice.
Beautiful.
And look out for sheep.
What?
Mountain sheep.
Yakan baga. Wow.
Oh my god, 10 miles? Serious? 9.9.
So we came from that top, from the other side. And then we went on the other side going around. And with this view right now,
Approximately 10 miles.
it's like 10 miles
Hike.
hike. And it's not an easy hike.
Show proof.
What?
Show proof. Look.
So it's 10 miles. We did 10 miles. 7 hours.
With eating.
With
pictures,
eating and pictures and stop and everything. Look at this.
Too many dog shit.
Oh my goodness. Where in the world? Only in Banff.
Let's go down there.
Yeah, where?
Here.
Madalas dito.
Yeah, here.
Tired?
Yes.
Tired.
Little bit hungry. Little bit.